Hello everyone, today I will show you how to install win7 on openWRT. It's based on qemu, so you should have installed these dependencies. The command may help you to install this. Okay, if you want more information about it, you can visit these two web pages. Okay, let's start. Step 1. You should have mounted a big size disk to save your images. These two commands may help you. The first command will enable your openWRT to mount a disk, and the second command will format your command. Step 2. Create a visual disk to install win7. This command will create a 50 GB visual image. And step 3. Create a shell script named win7.sh to start your win7 visual machine. And that's it. The command. If you want more information about qemu command, you can visit the official web page. Yeah, this. Okay. So don't take care about it. Finally, you should copy your file, the win7.sh and win7 installation ISO image to your openWRT by samba, and then execute the win7.sh. Finally, you can visit win7 by tag vnc. Okay, let me show you on my computer. First, add a hard disk. 64 GB is enough. Okay. Close it and start my openWRT. Now, let's visit my openWRT by web page. And I've installed this mount function and qemu, so I skipped. Okay, mount points. Oh, that I should delete this. Okay, delete. Save and play. Let's add a disk. As you see, you can't find your disk. Okay, you should format it. cd backslash and mdv. Okay, ls. As you see, it named sdb. At this. Okay, let's format it. mkfs.ext4 backslash dv sdb. Okay, enter. Now let's add again. Delete it. Okay, add. Now you can find it. Okay, enable, save and apply. As you see, you still can't find it on a mounted file system. So let's reboot your openWRT. After reboot, now we have done the step 1. Okay, that's step 2. Let's follow the step 2. Okay, here it found it. Okay, cd backslash and mnt sdb. Okay, let's create a visual disk by this command. Okay, qemu-img create f qcod2 win7 qcod2 and 50 gigabytes and enter. Okay, next step and shell. Yeah, I've done it. Okay, next samba. Okay, let's change it to NAS. Oh, sorry. Network shares. No, as you see, I've done it. Okay, let's visit my connect to my openWRT by samba. Login. Okay. Copy the files to my openWRT, and important is the win7.iso-img the file is official, not a ghost. Okay, that's very important. Okay, it has done. Finally, let's execute the shell. Okay, let's visit win7 by tiger vnc silent or other. Okay, connect. As you see, it works. Now just wait. Okay, as you see, it succeeded. So, sorry for my bad English. Thanks for watching, and see you next video. Bye bye.